I'm embarrassed to admit, for years, I used to garden in this. Now, don't get me wrong, they did the job, but boy, were they ugly. Something in this box is about to change the way I garden. I've been wanting to upgrade my garden for years, so I decided to recruit my husband and my son to help us do the job together. You are looking at the Vego Garden self-watering elevated bed. Summer is just around the corner and we do not want to water as much. Guys, I got the elevated raised bed in olive green, and what I love about this item is that it comes with a protected film. So how do you like being out here helping your mom?
I don't like plants.
You're gonna need some fingernails. Do you have fingernails?
No, I don't got fingernails, but yeah, I got it though.
The reason why I really like this product is because it's a 2x4 raised bed. And the great part about it, it's elevated, because for so many years, I would struggle trying to get up from my raised bed. It was too short. And now that I'm getting a little older, it's hard to actually get off the ground. This way, it's elevated. There's no bending, there's no kneeling, and it's so much easier. Just peel it off.
Mom, look at these nails, dude.
24 hours later.
It's not my fault that they put on Mission Impossible tape onto this thing. It's just so annoying.
So he couldn't do it, so I'm helping him out a little bit.
Got the corner panels, the side panels, wicking cell top. Those are the frame shelves.
The frame shelves. So we found the directions, which is one of the most important things that we have to do, because I never read the directions. That is a big mistake that I often make. So it comes with several bags of nuts and bolts, and they are all labeled. When you start, I would just probably lay them out in a row so you can get to them really easily. I discovered something really cool. The best part about this Vego Garden system, it has wheels. When Vego Garden made this in mind, they thought of everything. They even thought about the wheels, because get this, the wheel rims are PU rubberized, and so that promotes a quiet gardening experience. You know, when you're in the shopping center or in a supermarket and you grab that cart that's rattling all over the place, this is not that. You're not going to experience that, because these wheels are made to move quietly. Okay, so you're putting in the wheels. You almost got it. Show them how the leg looks. Okay, yeah, there we go. Okay.
Actually, this is easier than the thing I was doing before.
Taking off the wax cover.
Yeah.
This will serve for the shelf of the elevated raised bed. So you can put anything there. You can put your garden soil, pots, any tools. And you can see he's a typical teenager taking a break. Let's see what he is actually doing. Oh, on his cell phone again. Ooh, the moment of truth. So let's talk about another feature that makes this elevated rolling bed pretty special. It has a wicker cell system. A wicker cell is a self-contained irrigation system that collects excess water and redistributes it to your plants over time, meaning that you water less. So that is the self-watering mechanism. And that is the water gauge. It shows you when to refill the water. It says refill, and to the max is that. And then it's halfway is that bubble that's half filled. This self-watering elevated bed comes in two sizes, 2x4 and 2x6. I decided to get the smaller size, the 2x4. Now it stands 39 inches tall. It's great if you have a balcony or a patio. It features 4 heavy-duty locking wheels, a shelf underneath to store your garden essentials, and a handle, guys, on each end for easy rolling. That's the part I love. So you can pull it from one area to another. So Garris, you did most of the installing. What did you find out? Was it hard, or it took about what, an hour and a half?
About an hour and a half to put together. Relatively easy to put together. It's more just tedious work with a lot of screws in there and ripping off the plastic off, like my son said that he was annoyed with. But outside of that, it's relatively easy to put together. but you got to pay attention to the directions. If you don't pay attention to the directions, you will put parts of it together wrong.
So here's my 17-year-old son, Garris Jr. What did you think about it?
My dad said it took an hour and 30 minutes. It did not take an hour and 30 minutes. It took 2 hours and 30 minutes.
Well, that's because you were on your phone and you weren't helping your dad.
My mom was inside doing absolutely nothing while I was helping out my dad put this together.
Not true.
It is true. But yeah, it's a good product.
I think this is really great for people who maybe are not able to get around a little bit more, because not only does it glide with ease. Now remember, this doesn't have soil, but once it has soil, you can still push it around. And you can push it around not only like this way, but you can use the handles right like here on the bottom. You see right here, these handles, and you can drag them, you can drag it like this. So this is something that is really great for somebody who may be less mobile or may have a little bit of aches and pains, because you know, once we get a little older, some of those aches and pains start to creep up on us. I think if you want to elevate your garden space and you are really looking for something that is beautiful, dependable, and easy, this is definitely something you should consider. If you want to check out this product for yourself and see how it works, you can go to Vego Garden's website. They have a host of raised beds and planters for you to browse. But if you're interested in this particular product, this 2x4 self-watering elevated bed, you can use my discount code. That's DG. That's for Determined Gardener, 10 off. DG 10 off. Or you can scan the QR code on your screen and it takes you to the website. Thank you so much for joining me here on my channel. Don't forget to hit that sub button, that like button, and share this video with your family and friends. And don't forget to hype it, please. Until next time, guys, stay rooted. Bye-bye.